Good day, everyone, wherever you are watching from. You are welcome to this learning platform called Brainboss Learning Consult. Today is a continuation of our series which talk about indices. So today we'll be talking about the last part, which is called exponential equation. Though we started it, but we are going to be doing two examples today, but for the sake of this video it's going to be one. So after this video, this will be the part one. There will be a part two of this video. I'm your regular host, Mr. Maro. So today we'll be going into exponential equations. We've talked about some of them before, but those look simple, but this is taking the form of quadratic equation. So I'll divide this board. Like I said, for the sake of this video, we'll be treating maybe just the example one, so that it won't be too long and we'll have the part two. So let's solve the equations. So let's do the number one quickly. For the number one, 5 raised to the power of 2x minus 26 raised to the power of 5x plus 25 equal to 0. Now this look cumbersome, but it's very simple. All you just need to do, this is 5x. In this place there is 5 raised to the power of x. This is 5 raised to the power of x. If you check properly, there's 5 raised to the power of x here. So we can give it an equivalent. How we can recall that? Just recall 5x. 5x can mean anything. You can say equals to m. So anywhere we see 5 raised to the power of x, we put m. So let's do that. So don't forget that at this point, this will be 5. I'll write this. This will be 5 raised to the power of x, 2. See the same, just 2 times x is 2x. Minus 26 raised to the power of x plus 25 equals to 0. So what's 5 raised to the power of x? We said let it be m. So that will be m raised to the power of 2 minus 26m plus 25 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So if you don't know how to solve quadratic equation, please you learn that and get how to solve quadratic equation. So that will be 25m minus m. Minus m is the same thing as minus 1m plus 25 equals to 0. We have m common. That's m minus 25. We have 1 common. That's m minus 25 equals to 0. So that will be m minus 1, m minus 25 equals to 0. So that will be m equals to 1, m minus 1 equals to 0, or m minus 25 equals to 0. So that will be m equals to 1 or m equals to 25. If you get that, this is not our answer. We've always succeeded in solving for m. We've always succeeded in solving for m. So what we are going to do is that we are going to look for x, which is actually what we are looking for. So we've got m now. So we are going to recall 5 raised to the power of x is equals to m. So we are going to solve for this. When m is equals to 1, so you place that there. That will be 5 raised to the power of x equals to 1. So 5 raised to the power of x. You will agree with me. What can give us 1 in indices? I told you we can make that the same equivalent of what can give us 1. And I told you previously during the introduction of indices that we have a zero law, which says that any value apart from 0 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. So you can see that 5 is equivalent to 1. 5 raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. So I can safely say that that's 5 raised to the power of x equals to 5 raised to the power of 0. This cancels this. Therefore, x is equals to what? 0. So our first value I get for x now is 0. So we are going to get the value for when m is 25. We'll record that. It's equals to m when m is equals to what? 25. So that will be 5 raised to the power of x equals to 25. 5 raised to the power of x, that will be 5 raised to the power of 2, which is 25. This strike out, this will be having x is equals to what? 2. We can safely say that the values of x in the number 1 example, that's x is equals to 2 and 0 or 2. If you follow this, you've been able to know how to solve exponential equation. In the part 2, you'll be seeing the number 2 examples being solved there. Please endeavor to check our YouTube channel at BrainBoss Learning Consult. Share our content on Facebook and Instagram, even on TikTok at BrainBoss Learning Consult. For Instagram, it is together BrainBoss Learning Consult. Like I do say, practice makes perfect. Till I come your way next time, I am Mr. Maro, and thanks for watching.